Oh girl, when I say this wig is flat, like it is flat and laid. Ooh, I am feeling this. at this. Yes, super cute. Hey girls, welcome back to the channel. So today is clearly a long hair don't care type of video. So I want to talk all about this cute 24-inch lace wig from West Kiss Hair. My reactions throughout the video definitely just gives you the vibe. It tells you what we doing here, okay? This wig, y'all, when I applied that wax stick, did y'all see how smooth the top of this hair became? Like, girl, I even had to stop for a minute and just, honey, it was just everything. Like, look at how beautiful this wig is. Like, y'all, I can't stop running my fingers through this hair. And like, look how full it is. It is so uncommon to get a full 24-inch wig. Like, for a 24-inch, honey, this is very uncommon. Typically with a 24-inch, it is very see-through to the point where you would have to add some sort of bundle or two to the wig to get it to look full. But y'all, this hair is so full and so pretty. I'm really not sure. I can't remember if this wig came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, but make sure you check out that description bar because it'll have everything that you need to know. But I will say I did go in and bleach the knots, and I also went in and plucked the hairline just a little bit. So that's why I kind of want to say this wig came with a pre-plucked hairline too. Or if it didn't, the hairline was so thin you really don't have to if you don't want to. But girl, when I tell you this wig is giving, it is definitely giving, and it is so long. Like, okay, let me just stop saying that, okay? We know the hair is long. Y'all can see the hair is long. But y'all, I haven't worn straight hair in like so long because my face is like on swole due to COVID. Due to quarantining, so my face is like on swole. But anyways, yeah, so I absolutely love that they knew exactly what they was doing with this wig, because this is like one of the best wigs I have ever gotten from West Kiss Hair. And I've done a couple of reviews from them in the past, but honey, when I tell you this hair is giving, it is giving, okay? But if you are a girl who loves long hair, honey, and you give long hair don't care vibes, this is definitely the wig for you. From all the way from the density of the wig, the length of the wig, the lace, the meltdown, the flatness, just like, it's just giving me everything. It is giving me everything that I need in this wig. Like, do y'all hear me? Do y'all hear me? I'm just gonna end it, baby, because it ain't nothing to say besides get your hands on this wig and don't play yourself. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for always tuning in for these wig videos. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not a subscriber. If you ain't, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Girl, stop. Go hit the subscribe button, okay? For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me, and I will see you guys on the next video.